Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about going to solve two questions which is based on the property which I have explained in the last video, and in the module 3 also we have worked out lots of inequalities, but still I'll explain you how to solve this question. Like question is negative 9 less than 2x minus 17, but we prefer to take to keep the variable terms on the left side. So what I am going to do, I am going to flip this term and this term. Okay, this term I am going to shift to this side and this term I am going to take this side. So when you flip the term, inequality sign gets changed. So as I flip now, and negative 9, okay, I have changed the places. So this inequality sign from less than it will convert to greater than. Now I need to solve it as I used to solve the inequality or linear equation. This negative 17 I need to shift to that side. So what I need to do, I need to add 17 on both sides. So this 17 is cancelled out. Now what is left over here, 2x greater than, what is left over here, this is going to be how much, 9 or 8, correct? Okay, now to remove this 2, what I need to do, I need to divide both sides by 2. So this is, I have divided. So the x greater than 4 means x is going to be greater than 4. So in the set notation form on the number line, when you will be representing, this is 0 and this is suppose 4, means from 0 it is start, from 4 it is starting, and in this direction it is going to be at the infinity distance, because x greater than 4 and this is greater than sign. So here will be the open circle. When you represent this in the notation form, so x going to be, it is going to be here open bracket open parenthesis, y over here is greater than sign only. So this 4 is not going to be get included in the solution set, and in this direction it is moving up to the infinity. So infinity, and on infinity it is going to be open parenthesis. So this is going to be the answer for this question. Now I am going to work out on this question which contain the absolute value, but with absolute here positive 1 is there. Okay, so first to apply those formulas, first I need to shift this positive 1 to that side. So to shift that side, what I need to do, to remove this one, I need to add both side negative 1. So I have added. Okay, this is 2x plus 3, and 3 times this negative 1 is cancelled out, and this is less than equals to 25 minus 4, 24. Now to remove this 3, what I need to do, I need to divide both side by 3. So I have divided. This is 8 times, so 2x plus 3. Okay, now it has come. You can see this side or the term 2x plus 3 is there, but inside the parenthesis, and this side is 8. Okay, now whenever less than equals to sign is there and you remove the absolute value inequality sign, so this part which is written inside, that will be lying negative 8 to 8, correct? Okay, now I need to solve this compound inequality. To solve the compound inequality, I need to remove this 3, because I need to find out the range for x. So to remove this 3, 2x plus 3, I am going to subtract 3 from the whole equation. So I have subtracted. Now negative 8 less than this 3 is, sorry, this side I have not, okay, so negative 8 and negative 3 is going to be 11, and this is going to be 2x, and this is going to be 5. To remove this 2, what I need to do, I need to divide 2. So when you are dividing, the each term will get divided by 2. So divided, so this has come 11 upon 2, x less than equals to, sorry, 5 by 2. Okay, now this range has come, x is greater than 11 by 2 and less than equals to 5 by 2. So when you write this in the notation form, how I am going to write, x belongs to, x is greater than, so this part is, I am going to write here, comma 5, and it is ending with 5 by 2, and both side the square bracket. Why? Because over here is greater than equals to, and this is less than equals to. So whenever this equals to sign is there, it means it is going to be square bracket. So this two pattern of question I have done, and the rest of the question you can practice with the model paper 2 module 3 part 1 quiz 3. Okay, So you will get the idea and practice out more questions. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can post your question on which you need my suggestion or my solution in the forum. I'll be answering.